welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm feeling like really sad but really excited. So I've taken my tape extensions out. Ooh. As you probably gathered from the video, this is a mini quick hair tutorial with the straighteners for very fine and I guess short hair. 2 seconds, I just need to go and shut the window. Whew. I'm back, I'm safe, it's all right. I just need a drink. That was a little bit crazy. Sorry, really unprofessional, but this is just a bit of fun. I'm literally doing this. It's kept me going through the lockdowns. I love making these videos. It's so fun and I hope you love them too. I've just realised, please don't tell the pub. So I think this is one from the pub. Let's get to it. Okay, so this morning I have washed my hair. So I've taken my tape extensions out. I've had Beauty Works tape extensions in, like all through my hair. I had them all like placed in. My hair needs doing so bad, but obviously we're allowed it done in a couple weeks. So from now until I've posted this video, I probably have got my hair booked in and I might even do a hair one. If you'd like, or suggestion, oh, sorry, I don't know what's wrong with me today. If you would like me to take you with me to go and have my hair done, then let me know and I could do a video on it because Lisa wouldn't mind and her salon is really pretty and amazing. So shampoo, conditioner, leave-in conditioner. So I've used these for years. Palmer's, you can get them at Tesco's, Boots, Superdrug, anywhere like that. They're literally £3, £5, £4. So under a tenner, is that under a tenner? I don't know. Anyway, it's really cheap. So I use this. It's so amazing for your hair. It's got literally, the reason I use it, I can use it on my tape extensions. It's got like none of these baddies in them. So with being a hairdresser, I try and stay away from all of that bad products and hair shampoo and conditioner. But I normally say from Superstore as well, but this is from a Superstore. So, but this is the only one I'd recommend from there. So absolutely amazing. And people ask me over on my Instagram what I use on my hair to keep it so silvery and blonde and like looking fresh. I mean, it doesn't look that fresh, does it? I use the Osmo Super Silver shampoo. It's amazing. I've tried so many silver shampoos because my hair is naturally so dark and this is the only one that has worked, is the Super Silver shampoo. And then when it goes a bit greasy, which my hair does generally get so greasy, I think it's because I got an underactive thyroid and it's literally all the hormones are like at me. So yeah, my hair does go like it. So I use talcum powder. Like, it's all right because I can use it on my baby and then I use it on my hair. So win-win really, isn't it? So today, let's begin the hair tutorial. And all you are going to need is some straighteners. I've had these since I was 13 years old. I'm now 27. Me and my auntie and my mum, and I think my cousin Sophie as well, I think, we all went and got them from Superdrug as a Christmas present. 11 years, no, way more than that, isn't it? My maths is horrendous today. So yeah, all you need is that, this, and a little sectioning clip, because you must always section your hair to get like a clean and to make it last longer. Don't try and just crack on with it because it won't last. And you need some hairspray, any of your choice. I use this one, but I do use like loads of others as well, but I'm just using that one today. And then like a crocodile clip, and I'm going to probably style it or pin it up after with one of these. So if you have got anything like that, join along with me. So I take a really small section and just twist it around and add the crocodile clip on top. Then take each section cleanly and just slowly twist, pull until you sort of get the drift, and pull it up and hold for a few seconds and gently let go and your curl will release. Continue all of that all the way around the hair. So I've done the bottom section because my hair is quite thin. Fine. If you guys feel the same, still section it. It does honestly make it cleaner and more easier. So I'm just going to do a rundown. So if you're wanting to achieve this curl, I am going to brush mine out after. Okay, so that is all my hair curled, literally all curled. It makes it look thinner sometimes, so I would recommend a back combing brush, just to literally fluff it up a little bit. If your hair is thin, I keep saying thin but fine, and you do find like you're watching this and your hair isn't fluffing up as much, just keep like back combing it. You know, you can always add a little bit of hairspray at the start, so before you even begin, just do a really light hairspray. You will find that works really well, and I tend to not, because my hair can hold it a bit too heavy. So but the GHD's tend to glide really nicely. I always was debating getting some of those Cloud 9s, but these have just worked fab for years, so I don't really find any need to do it yet. I have had to get a few new palettes for them and stuff, but it doesn't cost a lot. So this is literally what I do with my fine short hair with the GHD's. I hope you like it. I do think it looks really cute. And then I just do a really light, obviously at the top as well, because that's where you've back combed. And then if you feel like it's too curly for you and like you don't want that sort of like curled look, you just brush it out. Okay, so if you want to brush it out, I got this brush from Asda. Oh my god, look at the hair in it. It's gone, it's okay. Oh, that makes me cringe. Luckily it's only my own hair, so it's okay. So you can just brush it out. If you feel it's too much, just be very gentle when brushing it out, especially if you have got fine hair. But then if you brush it out, you get more of like sort of like a waved look, not that heavy look. So that is the everyday fine hair look. I hope you like it. I've already said that, haven't I? Going a little bit overboard. Okay, so I hope you like it. What am I like? Anyway, so I got these little clips from Primark. So if you feel like you want it out of your face or anything, I just literally pick it up behind the ears and then sort of pin like that, and then that sort of achieves like a bit of like a hair up, and then you can pull bits down. If this, I would actually probably get that bit to be. It looks quite soft and natural, doesn't it? So you aren't like doing too much with it. So that's another one. And if you don't have one of these, but you have one of these, or if your hair's more thicker, fine but thicker, you can still use one of these. And obviously the curl and hairspray gives it more of a look, heavier look. So again, I will pull those front bits down, and that is again another little look. It's just so easy, isn't it? And so cheap, like you don't need too much at all. Okay, so if you also want your hair, you know, curly, but you don't want it all down, it gets in your way, it's annoying, but you still want that curled look, pin it up, get this one, and literally just clip it wherever it goes. Again, that's another little one that I do. Obviously with being a mum, I don't always like my hair down, so this is one of my favourites. My auntie always used to, I think she still does actually, obviously I haven't seen her in a while and I miss her. So this is another one, she always used to wear it and she literally pulls it off so good. So yeah, this is another one that I do. You can pull all these bits down if you prefer. I get these little clips from like Poundland, Home Bargains, B&M. So that is all of it for today. I've got nothing else to show you. I'm done. I hope you've really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed doing this one today. I was getting a little bit nervous taking my tape extensions out. I'm not gonna lie, they make me feel more confident. comfortable. I love styling really thick hair, but now I've taken them out and my hair actually is doing so much. I feel so happy that I can show you a tutorial like I have today on a few different bits. And obviously not all of us want tape extensions, we want to embrace our natural hair. So I think this would be, you know, I thought this would be a really good idea to show you what you can do with your hair if you sort of have the same style as mine. So I'm not sure what video to do next. I do have a few up my sleeve, but if you have any recommendations, please let me know. But I hope you've really enjoyed this one as much as I have, and I hope you're all okay and you've all had a lovely week. And we really need the sun, don't we? Like, we need it to be bright and sunny, and I think it's coming. So yeah, we can go out of our new hair look. So yeah, any questions, please let me know, and I will be happy to help no matter what. But thank you so much for watching. It honestly means so much to me. Like, I just done this to document my life, to have some fun, just to take some time away from me, and you know, still feel like I'm working whilst I can't work. So it's literally given me such a boost and enjoyment throughout this lockdown. So thank you so much for watching, subscribing, liking, commenting, like, you know, coming back to these videos for little tips. So thank you so much for watching. It literally means the world. So have a lovely day. Thank you, guys.